Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Padaritla. Let's get into your reading for the month of May 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Cancer. So you can find all the details regarding the deck that I'm using, the spread I'm using, including the definitions of all the signs: Sun sign, Moon sign, Rising sign, Venus and Jupiter. So now we can start with your reading. So the three cards that you're seeing right now is your situation. The right side top corner will be your current path. Left top corner will be your alternate path. Bottom left corner will be your psychological basis. And right bottom corner will be your karma. So situation tells you what is your situation is like. Current path tells you where you're going. Alternate path says what you can alternately do other than your current path. So if you don't like your current path, then you can take the alternate path. Now, the psychological basis tells you what is running in the background. Karma tells you what are the lessons that you have to learn. So this is the golden dawn spread. Now this is the face down of the cards. Now we can start facing up the cards and see what we have. So from your situation, we got Ace of Discs. We got Three of Discs, which is works. Disc represents pentacles. We got Three of Swords. Moving on in the current path, we got completion, which is Four of Wands. In the alternate, we got Nine of Discs, which is gain. Psychological basis, we got a court card, which is Queen of Discs. In the karma, we got Nine of Wands, which is strength. So moving on, I'm going in a spiral like the Fibonacci sequence. We got Universe, Major Arcana. In the same way how I've dealt the cards, I'm drawing out face up as well. We got a court card. In the alternate, Prince of Swords. In the psychological, we got Seven of Cups, which is debauch. In the karma, we got Princess of Cups, which is court card. In the current path, we got Eight of Wands, which is swiftness. In the alternate path, we have the Devil, Major Arcana. And in the psychological basis, we got Seven of Discs, which is failure. And in the karma, we got the Magus, which is Major Arcana. Now we have done the entire spread, including the face up. Now we can start with your reading, Cancer. Alright, Cancer, let's start with your reading. So in this situation, we got Three of Discs, which is works, Ace of Discs, and Three of Swords, which is sorrow. Now coming in the center, Ace of Discs, it is actually good. Okay, now we have a lot of green here in the entire spread, and you being a water sign, you connecting with the earth energy is definitely good. It makes you rooted, at the same time gain access towards knowledge from your rootedness. So the more you stay calm in the month of May, the more answers you'll get, and the more accurate the answers you'll get in what you have to do next, and how to utilize your time, etc. And more about yourself is what I feel, how much you're useful to the things around you, and where you can move around and take responsibilities in order to manifest anything you want. So in that regards, I can see major opportunities is gonna come in the month of May, especially if you try to naturally just go in there, you try to absorb that environment, and overall it's gonna be fruitful for you. and the people definitely will see your worth in how much value you can give to them as well. So coming in the center of the reading, Ace of Discs, I can see you're going to get a lot of money, especially if you try to collaborate with earth sign people, which is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, which is earth, that would be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and but either way, when you collaborate, your essence is the main part here, and the rest is, I feel, it's just the environment that is playing out. But whatever happens with regards to many people over here, I can see you're gonna get a lot of money in the month of May. You're gonna make a lot of money, and this is gonna happen very naturally. I feel like it's very natural, when you toss a coin, because you got a disc which is Ace of Disc. If you toss a coin, either heads or tails, it's gonna land on the ground, and because of the ground and because of the contact of the coin having stability in one position, you can see whether it's heads or tails. I feel like you have to do your part. At the end of the day, everything will work out. Okay, I feel like you will get a lot of money is what I feel, and there'll be some presence of luck as well, which will play out for you, especially in the month of May. And at the same time, people coming to you asking for collaborations and stuff. Try to be open to that. Try to see how you can absorb to that energy. How comfortable you are is the main priority here. If you feel comfortable in whatever they're saying, then just go for it. I feel like naturally everything will work out. And next is Works, which represents everything will work out. Okay, you don't have to do anything. I feel like the networking part, you have to see who are coming to you, who are being reaching out, and try to be open, try to expose yourself into these areas of collaboration, but at the same time see if it fits you, see if it is in the alignment of yours, see if it is comfortable for you, you are the vibration match to that or not, and then go ahead. At the same time, when you're trying to work out, don't expect a lot. When things are working out, it means that it has to work out in a way, but not necessarily that when things are working out you have to be over positive. You have to just be stable at the same time. When things are up and down, either ways you have to try to be stable in the sine wave, and then you can see you will not be sad at the end of the day. Trying to expect more, trying to have more divisions in whatever you're thinking. Try to be solid and stay rooted at the same time. Have different possibilities at the same time. Imagine that those are just possibilities, and don't try to interpret as something that could definitely happen, which has a major possibility. It is just possibilities. Okay, in the month of May. Also, I could see 1 and 3 is significant, especially 3, because you got 2 3s over here in the center, you got 1. I feel like whatever your work you do, it will have a major impact is what I'm saying. But because of that major impact, you might feel that you could be recognized a lot and very quickly, etc. Some kind of things will be going on in your head. Many divisions will be going on in your head. So make sure you stay rooted and come back to that original position where you are. That could definitely help you in remaining stable, being happy and going in a flow, rather than that sorrow and sadness will come out, or you might be thinking how it will work out, even though you know exactly how it will work out. So major things will start to run out when you get those overconfidence. So try to be rooted. At the same time, you see Ace of Discs is in the center, meaning that if you want to make a lot of money, you have to stay rooted first, and then you can analyze where things are going. Next, coming into your current part, this is your situation basically, how the environment is like. Now moving on to current path, meaning where you are going for this situation. We see from the 3 cards over here in the current path, we got 4 of Wands, which is completion. We got the Universe, Major Arcana, and Swiftness, which is 8 of Wands. Okay, now I can feel you will definitely wait for things to get completed, for things to move on. For example, if you have a particular task, then you try to finish that and move to the next, whatever opportunities come up. I feel like many opportunities will be presented to you, but before moving on, you're trying to finish off the major responsibilities which you have in the past, and then moving on to the new ones, and that is what you have in your mind. And you're also taking your time to get the strength and confidence to move on to a new project, trying to see different examples, trying to see different scenarios, and then moving on. And of course, comfortability factor also, you're trying to analyze this, which I feel like you're definitely in a right state of mind as of right now. Depending on the situation where you are definitely thinking in the right way. And moving on, we got the universe. This also suggests that universe is with you. You're definitely seeing how universe is playing out, and what universe is being presenting to you, what are the opportunities you're getting. And you're definitely gaining a lot of intelligence as well, because of these new things coming up. You're trying to gain your intelligence on that particular area. Of course, universe also represents you being open. So whatever I suggested you, the advice in the situation, definitely you're naturally following that. And with the swiftness, I can see you are in a position where definitely something up and down happens. You try to go to the another side and try to get your comfort, try to get your stability with regards to finances, your mind, etc., or people also, and your happiness. So you're in a very good position right now. Even though there is ups and downs, you can reach out to people. There are people around you who can help you with that in your particular field. So you're in the right path. You're definitely making good connections and trying to have a very good conversation. Try to be friendly with everyone. That is what you have in mind right now. Let's look into your current alternate path, what you can alternately do. Your current path is totally fine, is under my opinion, but let's look into the alternate path, what universe is suggesting that you can alternately do if in case you don't like your current path. We got the Devil, which is major arcana, Prince of Swords, which is a court card, and Nine of Discs, which is gain. Now majorly, whenever I do tarot reading since many times, whenever I see when the current path is totally fine, not that bad, like 95%, 90%, when it is, I feel like it is fine, because 100% we can't be fine. Okay, there will be some kind of interference, some kind of negative energy as well, but we have to stick on to the things that we are having the most advantages, and where we have the strength, and where we are expertising. So I feel like whenever those things happen, when we are almost in the right element, universe tells it's fine to reach out to making things right. With regards to any negative energy is there, you can expose to that and try to resolve the karma as well. That's when usually Devil card comes out. When everything is fine, that's when Devil comes in and says, you have still something to work on, some karma to work on. So don't be entirely sure that you are living in a very fantastic life. Of course, you can experience a fantastic life. You can be very, complete with yours in your life, but still, when you are in that state, universe says, okay, you're fine, but don't get too comfortable where you lose that fire. And that's where you can see in the completion card, the fire starts to build up. But Devil also represents fire, which is Capricorn energy. So yeah, the rootedness and the fire, the balance of fire and earth is definitely required for you, Cancer. Definitely check out your earth sign as well, is what I feel. Check out your Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn signs. Okay, that will give you a more perspective on what is happening and what you have to do. With the Devil card, I can see there is a lot of possibilities. There are millions of people out here, and I just explained in a very average way. But check out your Capricorn sign. If you don't have any planets in your Capricorn sign, then look for any earth sign like Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. That will give you more perspective on your life and what you have to do, as I said. And with the Prince of Swords, with the court card over here in the center of the alternate path, try to keep moving. It's okay to do different tasks at the same time, but make sure that you keep moving. That's with the Prince of Swords. And also while you're moving, make sure that you try to be very alert every minute and see where you're going, and with the gain, definitely with the alternate, I can see you can have the main priority as something to make a lot of money. You can be safe about choosing that mindset here in the month of May. This month, you can be safe about choosing this gain energy, where you want to gain a lot of money, gain abundance, gain a lot of things, especially discs, which is pentacles, all about money. You can be safe about wanting more and working on that and moving towards that. You can be safe about this month. Even with the devil card, it represents all physical things, so materialistic things, etc. So you can definitely tie yourself with that this month, and then maybe we'll see what energies will pop out next month, and then we can make further predictions. But this is the month for you to get into the fire energy. And also with the devil over here, exactly down that I kept a stone crystal, which is carnelian. It definitely represents the devil energy with the carnelian also. It's quite dusty, at the same time fiery, so it's the devil energy over here. You can definitely connect with this stone as well, with the carnelian, and also fire. Okay, you can definitely connect with that fire energy. That can also help with you. And also with the green, lot of greens over here, you can connect with green jade, or this particular stone called tree agate. So any color which regards to green also is significant. Maybe your clothes, you can wear green color or orangish color. That could help. Especially I could see green color if you wear or surround yourself with green. That could definitely be helpful, because you being a Cancer sign, which is definitely kind of like a water element, because your Cancer is like, your lord is moon. Okay, so you connecting with that earth element, that greenish element is definitely good. Also eating fruits or food which is greeny is also very good. Okay, also even before I start the reading, I got psychic information about carrots, which also represent this color over here, which is fire, and the reddish part of frequency over here. So I don't know why I got carrots, because there is actually a clothing brand called Carrots also, maybe because of that or something. But today I definitely got a sense of carrots, literally carrots, eating carrots like that. So definitely you can eat carrots. And coming to the psychological basis, we got 7 of discs, which is failure, 7 of cups, which is debauch, and queen of discs. Now we got 2 sevens also, which is Libra also, because 7th house is Libra. And also you can definitely, what is running in the background is you are definitely focusing on a lot of networking side as well, networking with people, and the 7th house, which represents people, society, and also sometimes maybe marriage or relationships. But I feel like you're mostly connected with networking side, networking with people, making a lot of friends, making sure that everything is all right with regards to them, the communication part, all the energies, etc. But what is happening in the psychological is that it's becoming quite negative. When you focus more on the more on one particular thing, any small intention which could be negative, which we are not aware of, can build up a lot and could manifest in your life as a big thing. Because in a psychological basis, I can see something is running in the background. It's quite negative, and that is with regards to networking side. So you're thinking that you have to forcefully do something in order to maintain a good vibration between people. But when you have that intention, naturally you will try to attract this wantingness to do these adjustments in your networking side. So I feel like definitely you have to just go with the flow and let the universe take its pace. And I feel like when you be friendly and when you don't expect anything, when nothing is happening, you have to just be still. And I feel like whenever you need help, you can reach out. Whenever they need help, they can reach out. Try to create that trust, Try to be friendly, but at the same time, don't keep on trying to make it even more better and better. I feel like everything is good right now, but with the deep ouch card, it represents you feeling something is missing in that emotion towards people. But I feel like you have to concentrate on the pentacle side. Because of that pentacle side you have to concentrate on, you have to definitely understand that cups might be, the emotions might be little kept aside at this month, especially May. So a lot of emotional sharing and all etc might not happen this month, so you have to understand with regards to that. So this month it's I can see the energies are suggesting opportunities related to making money is good here this month, and your main target is should be that acquiring wealth, acquiring even property is also good this month. And I feel like whenever you're looking at property, you take your time, visit that place once in a while, and then decide, okay, because there might be a lot of opportunities with regards to even taking property also. So you can take your time, don't rush towards it, but definitely be in a vibration to check it out once in a while. Go and visit that place or get more information with regards to that, etc., depending on your situation. And with the karma, we got strength, which is 9 of wands. We got princess of cups, which is a court card, and the magus, which is major arcana. Now your karma is definitely to gain a lot of knowledge this month. I can see with the other cards as well. Outside the karma, it represents that you're definitely inclined towards gaining a lot of knowledge with regards to anything, any new thing. At the same time, working on making money. And with the strength card, definitely the more knowledge you gain, the more confidence you're gonna get. Whether it's a new thing or an old thing, you try to relate this new thing into other things which you have worked on before, and that could make things easier as well. Now with the princess of cups, which is major court card, next to the major arcana of the magus, I feel like if in case you want to make new friends, because I could feel like once you get into a certain position of gaining the intelligence or the money, you can have an idea of making new friends as well. You could, for few people, but in that case I feel like if you're a male, then definitely don't try to reach out to other people as of right now. Work on yourself. I feel like naturally people will come to you. I feel like the 7th house is connected to the first house, the 7th lord in the first. So I feel like a lot of 7 over here in the psychological. In the karma, of course, it intertwined over here with the first over here again. 1 represents first house only here, magus. So people will naturally come to you. Okay, then the people who have to network with you will naturally come to you. I feel like that is your karma. Try to receive whatever the information they are sharing or whatever they are giving, physically or verbally. Try to receive that. With the magus card, definitely I feel like some kind of product will be given to you. Okay, if you're a male, then this will be very, very significant. Some kind of product will be given to you, and maybe your job is to either understand that product, try to connect with that product and see what it is, or it could be a situation where you're given something like a physical thing from someone, especially for male I'm saying. Then they might tell you regarding that product, and you have to just try to find its what do you call the usability factor, how it could be used in everyday life practically. So that could be a case, is what I'm seeing. But something, if you're a male, definitely some kind of gift or some kind of physical thing is being given to you this month. Okay, especially in the 15th or 15th, 17th and 20th of this month, it could happen. And this could be from someone you already know in the past, and It could be from your family members also, but for some people, if you are in a hometown, then this could be from your family members. If you're not from your hometown, then this could be from someone from, your relations or something. Or it could be very close friends. I feel like someone to do with very close friends. I feel like you could. And also whatever knowledge you're getting, I feel like it is with regards to science, especially physics is what I feel. And that's all I have for you, Cancer. For teachers, for people who are working in teaching field, I feel like this month is good. You're gonna get a lot of money, a lot of promotions also is there. And at the same time, you try to become more emotional. I feel like no cups energy, but I feel like for teachers, you try to become more emotional towards small children especially, or even small things in life. Okay, that's all I have for you, Cancer. If you like the reading, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any video. And if you want to access your own energies and get a personal reading from me professionally, then you can check out my business card. I offer services for tarot reading, astrological reading, life coaching, and daily readings. So tarot readings is with regards to doing a personal tarot reading for you based on whatever questions you ask. I try to find answers using tarot. And with the astrological reading, I see in the light of astrology, which is Vedic astrology. I look into all the concepts of Vedic astrology, including the yogas, the Mahadasha, the house placement, the sign placement, the planetary placements, and nakshatras, and everything that I can, all the combinations as well, aspects as well. And I try to create a D1 and D9 chart, try to see what I can make predictions with regards to the astrological knowledge and astrological placement of yours, and try to give a report for you. And from there on, I also get into a call with you and try to explain everything that I can. And if in case if you have doubts with regards to any particular field as well, I try to check in with that as well. But overall, everything will be covered in astrological reading, which is major in your life, which you have to know. And this is entirely in the light of Vedic. So you get a lot of information like Atmakaraka, everything. A lot of knowledge is going to come. And with regards to daily tarot reading, I take one particular tarot card every day personally for you, and I give you the information and messages every morning on what you can expect on that particular day and what advice you can take accordingly to get closer to achieving your goals, etc., or to try to solve your problem the efficient way possible. And with regards to life coaching, I use both astrological and tarot. At the same time, I try to use my own personal knowledge with regards to all the fields that I came across in life, reading self-help books, reading other esoteric knowledge, occult knowledge, and other scientific knowledge as well. So I use that and coach you. At the same time, I try to give you a lot of secretive knowledge regards to the secrets of the universe, etc. If you take this premium membership of life coaching, I try to coach you with regards to your life, how to make sure your life will be stable, and with regards to everything. This is just this is arranged in a way that is organized in a way that could work for everyone. So be free to contact me if you have any doubts with regards to your problem. I try to help you with regards to choosing your services as well, which services you have to choose if you have any doubt. And with the life coaching, another point is that this is the most the best service you can take, and a premium service, because I teach you a lot about life. And even after the service is completed, you can definitely use this particular knowledge which I shared and try to explore more by yourself. And even with astrological and tarot, I try to give you a report and all the data and information with regards to what is there for you and what messages I got for you. And that could be accessible anytime in your life. That record or report, whatever you give, it will be helpful for your rest of your life as well. So I'm trying to do this very professionally, and be free to contact me if you have any queries. In the bottom you can find my contact number, including my social media links as well. So follow me on social media to get notified quickly in all directions as well, and also try to find out my the teachings, what I follow, and etc, my life, everything, etc. So you can check out my social media to know more about myself. At the same time, check out your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs in the playlist of May 2021 tarot reading, to gain more access and narrow down your perspective. If you don't know what is your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, Venus and Jupiter, you can get a astrological reading service from me, which you saw in the business card. That will give you what is your signs. And if you want to know more about what is sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, the definitions are there in the description box, along with the tarot deck, the spread I use, etc. And that's all I have for you, Cancer. Thank you guys for so much support. Thanks for watching, and stay safe, stay subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and thank you.